Pranam, have you ever looked at the clock and wondered if time itself has a personality? Not just seconds and minutes ticking away, but invisible currents of energy flowing through each hour? Today, we enter the mysterious and mathematical world of Hora Shastra, a branch of Vedic astrology that quietly governs the rhythm of your day. And by the end of this video, you may never look at an hour the same way again. Hora Shastra is a specialized branch of Brihat Parashar Hora Shastra, one of the foundational texts of Vedic astrology attributed to sage Parashar. The word Hora comes from the Sanskrit word Ahoratra, meaning day and night. Remove the first and last syllables A and Tra and what remains? Hora. And here's the fascinating twist. The English word hour is believed to have linguistic roots connected to this very Sanskrit term, Hora. Ancient knowledge traveled across civilizations, from India to Greece to Rome, shaping how humanity measured time itself. So when you say,
"I'll see you in an hour,"
you might unknowingly be echoing a Vedic concept thousands of years old. Let that sink in. Hora Shastra deals with predictive astrology. It studies how planetary positions at the time of your birth influence your life, your personality, career, relationships, wealth, health, and destiny. But here's where it becomes even more intriguing. It doesn't just analyze where planets are, it studies planetary strengths, houses or bhav, zodiac signs or rashi, yogas or powerful combinations, dasha or planetary periods of influence, and divisional charts like Navamsa. This system is mathematical, precise, structured, almost surgical, and yet deeply spiritual. Now comes the part most people don't know. According to Hora Shastra, each hour of the day is ruled by a planet. There are 7 classical planets in Vedic astrology: Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn. Each day of the week is named after the planet ruling its first hour. Sunday by Sun, Monday by Moon, Tuesday by Mars, Wednesday by Mercury, Thursday by Jupiter, Friday by Venus, and Saturday by Saturn. This planetary sequence repeats every hour in a fixed cyclical order, which means that the energy at 9 a.m. is not the same as the energy at 2 p.m. One hour may favor communication, another may favor strategy, another may favor spiritual practices. Hora Shastra teaches how to align your actions with the ruling planet of the hour. Imagine scheduling an important meeting during Mercury Hora for sharp communication, or beginning a financial investment during Jupiter Hora. Is it coincidence or cosmic timing? Critics dismiss it. Believers swear by it. But even from a psychological perspective, aligning actions with structured time blocks increases intention and focus. Hora Shastra gives symbolic meaning to time, turning ordinary hours into mindful intervals. And that changes behavior, which changes outcomes. Hora Shastra is not limited to daily planetary hours. It also includes detailed birth chart interpretation, timing of major life events through dasha systems, wealth analysis or dhan yogas, marriage compatibility, career potential, and spiritual growth indicators. In fact, the entire predictive backbone of Vedic astrology rests on Hora principles. Without Hora Shastra, there is no timing. And without timing, even opportunity loses meaning. Think about this. We organize our life by hours. Work hours, gym hours, school hours, sleeping hours. But what if each hour carried a subtle energetic signature? What if success was not only about effort, but about alignment? Hora Shastra doesn't demand blind belief. It invites observation. Test it. Notice your mood at different times. Observe patterns. Track important events. You may begin to see rhythm where you once saw randomness. Here's the truth that ancient sages quietly understood. Time is not empty, it is alive, and Hora Shastra is the language used to interpret its pulse. The word hour on your wristwatch may carry the echo of Hora, and every time the clock ticks, the cosmos might be whispering something. The real question is, are we listening? If you enjoyed this deep dive into Hora Shastra, watch it again, because the second time, you'll notice details you missed the first time. Time, after all, reveals its secrets slowly. Isn't that true? Thank you.